Hi there everyone, welcome to the Bushido Code, where honor is stronger than steel. The Bushido was the code of conduct and ethics for the samurai warrior. In Japanese term, if loosely translated, means the way of the warrior. In Japanese, samurai actually means to serve. Hence, it can be concluded that the Bushido is not a way of violence, but rather it is a way of service. The way of the warrior is well known for its practice of self-disembowelment, seppuku, and their belief that honor is more important than life. It has also received much attention in recent times due to its portrayal in Hollywood movies such as The Last Samurai or 47 Ronin, with Bushido being the central theme of both movies. So what does this have to do with our lives? Let us start by considering the term warrior. The definition of a warrior is a person engaged in some struggle or conflict. An example, someone who fights. By this definition, we are all warriors, whether against poverty, hunger, disease, or against less physical issues like racism, sexism, and insignificance. We spend our lives fighting something. Life spares none of us from struggles, and therefore you need a warrior's code, a guide on how to live and fight. That is, if you wish to be a successful warrior. The usage of the term way in this context means life principles, ethics, a guide to living according to a code. Since we are all warriors in our own right, the Bushido can also be our way and our guide in our individual battles. In the upcoming parts of this program, we will introduce you to the ancient code that is Bushido and how you can apply the tenets and wisdom of Bushido for a successful and more fulfilling life. Are you ready? Let us set up then to seek the way together.